Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're on Ethernet, so start by finding the router gateway IP and open it in a browser. This gives direct access to device settings. Once done, log in with the admin account or the label default credentials. Routers block changes without auth, so this step is essential. If you don't know the password, check any printed label or your IT admin. Make sure your connection stays wired while you navigate. It prevents being locked out if wireless settings change. Once logged in, go to the Wireless or WLAN section to find SSID and security details. This is where the passphrase lives. You'll often see the key masked. Click an eye icon or edit the field to reveal it, because routers store the current password for convenience. If the UI shows only dots, switch to the device's advanced or security subsection. Many routers separate the visible passphrase from other Wi-Fi settings. Keep reading the labels. Encryption type tells you if it's modern and secure. If the router UI is inaccessible, you can check saved wireless keys on your computer. Windows Credential Manager or Mac Keychain often store the passphrase and let you reveal it when you're an admin. Once done, copy the key into your device and test the connection. If credentials are missing or login fails, don't factory reset unless you accept losing configuration. Instead, update firmware or call your network administrator. A common troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try a different browser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.